Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Richelle, and for today's video, I am going to share a job opportunity for those people who want to work from home but don't have any experience yet. This company doesn't require any work experience, and the best thing about this is it's non-voice. So as long as you know the correct grammar, punctuation marks, and spelling of the words, and you know how to write correct sentences in English, then this is a good opportunity for you. So I'm going to share the details in this video. Now, we are here sa website ng company called Online Helpers, and they're looking for online helpers for their companies. Before applying, let's check first the benefits. So, they're offering a starting rate of $3 per hour. This is a work from home opportunity. You will also be paid reliably, and this is also for a long-term partnership. We want a stable source of income that can last for a long time. Now, they're looking for people who are proficient in English. They're also looking for people who are available to work US hours. That means this would be a graveyard shift here in the Philippines. And they're looking for people who can commit to work full time, which is minimum of 6 hours per day, 5 times a week, and include 1 day on the weekend. So this is very important. We have to ask first ourselves if we are willing to work on the weekend before applying. If this is okay for you, then let's click apply now. So they have actually 3 job opportunities here, but we will be applying for this online helper job post. So let's click apply. You will be seeing here the benefits that they're offering for this specific post. And if we look at the 4th one, it says here non-voice shop. So this is a non-voice job opportunity. About the role, this will be your responsibilities once you pass the application process. You will be providing unique customer service through the company's system. You will also be participating in company activities, and you will be participating in surveys to improve overall company efficiency. So after clicking the apply button, you will be seeing here the application form. So you just have to provide the details needed. And please take note, it says here all caps. So dapat capital letters only. Just write your first name, middle name, and your last name. They are also asking for your phone number, your country, your email address, and please prepare your updated resume or your updated CV. Please prepare your internet speed test results, and you have to attach it in this form, and then you will be providing the download speed and then the upload speed. So we have to check those details. Next is you have to check your screen size, your peripheral requirements. So they're asking if you have a headset, a camera, a mouse, LAN cable, and router. And then you will be attaching the RAM screenshot. So this is a screenshot of your system requirement showing the RAM capacity. Please check the details here that you have to provide. So most of the information they're asking for actually is about your computer. And then they will also be requiring for your valid ID and your bank account. So they will be asking for the bank account number. So after submitting all the details, please click submit. That's the form that you have to complete in order to submit your application for this job post. So those are the details for this job opportunity. So just prepare the details that they're looking for, and I hope that you get the job. So after submitting your application, please wait for further instructions via email. They're going to contact you via email. I hope this video helps. If you're someone who already experienced applying for this job, and if you also experienced working for this company, please share your experience sa comment section natin sa baba. This is also a very big help to other people who are looking for a job like this. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye!